You must reevaluate your life status, your life expectations, and think cold and pragmatic, stoic as you want, regarding future. You suffer in your mind, and reality confirm your expectations. In this moment you have the first steps to overcome fears, problems, and money life issues. 40 short life facts and 1 to-do list, challenge accepted. Stop complaining and stop keeping yourself lazy and hateful in life, hate others or life itself. Take a pen and a paper and you need 10 minutes to listen to this talk plus 20 minutes to write down how you will make money today, and optimize your life. I know that you already practice or have listened to some of these ideas. The question is, why are you complaining? Or giving up before you even started this rich journey? You successful. Welcome to Enrich Talks, the place where we tell you in the face, the truth that hurts, and we also come with the solutions that matter in life. 40 ideas to be more precise. If you want success, a family, or a change, start by listening this talk. Living a minimalist lifestyle is about intentionally simplifying your life, focusing on what truly matters, and reducing excess in various areas. Here are 20 facts about living minimalist. 1. Decluttering. Minimalism involves decluttering your living space by getting rid of unnecessary possessions and keeping only what you truly need or value. 2. Simplicity. Embracing minimalism means simplifying your life by eliminating distractions, reducing complexity, and finding joy in a more streamlined existence. 3. Intentional consumption. Minimalists prioritize mindful consumption and make deliberate choices about the items they bring into their lives, considering quality, purpose, and sustainability. 4. Quality over quantity. Minimalists value quality over quantity, choosing to invest in well-made items that will last longer, rather than accumulating cheap, disposable products. 5. Essentialism. Minimalism aligns with the concept of essentialism, focusing on the things, activities, and relationships that bring genuine fulfillment and letting go of the non-essential. 6. Financial freedom. Living with less can lead to improved financial well-being as minimalists avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize spending on experiences and meaningful purchases. 7. Environmental impact. Minimalism promotes a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing consumption and minimizing waste, thereby contributing to a smaller ecological footprint. 8. Increased clarity. Minimalism can bring mental clarity and peace by reducing physical clutter and simplifying your surroundings, leading to less stress and improved focus. 9. Mindful time management. Minimalists value their time and prioritize activities that align with their values, helping them focus on what truly matters in life. 10. Freedom from materialism. Minimalism challenges the societal emphasis on material possessions, allowing individuals to find contentment beyond the pursuit of material wealth. 11. Minimalist aesthetics. Minimalist living often involves adopting a clean and uncluttered visual aesthetic, with simple lines, neutral colors, and a sense of order. 12. Mindful relationships. Minimalists prioritize meaningful connections and invest time and energy in nurturing authentic relationships rather than superficial interactions. 13. Emotional well-being. Minimalism can contribute to improved emotional well-being as individuals focus on what truly brings them joy and let go of emotional attachments to material possessions. 14. Travel and experiences. By owning fewer possessions, minimalists have the freedom and resources to invest in experiences, travel, and personal growth. 15. Time for self-care. Minimalism encourages self-care and self-reflection, allowing individuals to prioritize their well-being and mental health. 16. Efficient space utilization. Minimalists make the most of their living spaces by organizing and optimizing storage, ensuring that everything serves a purpose or brings joy. 17. Streamlined daily routine. Minimalists often develop efficient and simplified daily routines, reducing decision fatigue and increasing productivity. 18. Focus on health. Minimalism can extend to lifestyle choices, emphasizing a focus on health and well-being through conscious eating, exercise, and self-care practices. 19. Letting go of attachments. Minimalism promotes detachment from material possessions and fosters a mindset of appreciating experiences and personal growth over acquiring material things. 20. Creating meaningful memories. Minimalists prioritize creating lasting memories and meaningful moments with loved ones, rather than being tied to physical objects. Remember, minimalism is a personal journey, and everyone's interpretation and implementation may vary. It's about finding what works best for you and aligning your lifestyle with your values and goals. Surviving without cash money can be challenging in today's society, but it's not impossible. Here are 20 facts about how to navigate a cashless existence. 1. Embrace digital payment methods. Utilize mobile payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, or digital wallets to make transactions electronically. 2. Online banking. Set up online banking accounts to manage your finances, pay bills, and transfer funds electronically. 3. Prepaid cards. Use prepaid debit cards as an alternative to cash for making purchases or withdrawing funds from ATMs. 4. Bartering. Engage in bartering by exchanging goods or services directly with others without involving cash. 5. Local exchange systems. Participate in local exchange systems or time banks, where members trade skills, services, or goods without using cash. 6. Community support. Rely on community networks and support systems that provide resources, assistance, and shared goods. 7. Sharing economy. Take advantage of the sharing economy platforms like Airbnb, Uber, or TaskRabbit to access services and earn money without cash transactions. 8. Volunteer work. Exchange your skills and time by volunteering for organizations or projects that provide goods or services you need. 9. Crowdfunding. Utilize crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe to raise funds for specific needs or projects. 10. Digital coupons and discounts. Make use of digital coupons, discount codes, or loyalty programs to save money on purchases. 11. Rent or borrow. Rent or borrow items you need instead of buying them outright, such as tools, equipment, or even clothing. 12. Utilize public services. Take advantage of public services and facilities that provide necessities like food, healthcare, or shelter. 13. Growing your own food. Cultivate a home garden or participate in community gardens to produce your own fruits and vegetables. 14. Do-it-yourself and repairs. Learn do-it-yourself skills to repair and maintain items instead of relying on paid services. 15. Alternative currencies. Explore alternative currencies or local currencies accepted within specific communities or regions. 16. Online classifieds and FreeCycle. Use online classifieds or platforms like FreeCycle to find free or low-cost items in your area. 17. Skill sharing. Engage in skill-sharing communities where individuals exchange expertise and services without monetary transactions. 18. Reduce expenses. Practice frugality by minimizing unnecessary expenses and living within your means. 19. Resourceful networking. Network with like-minded individuals who can provide support, guidance, and shared resources. 20. Financial education. Invest time in learning about personal finance, budgeting, and managing resources effectively to thrive in a cashless lifestyle. Remember, adapting to a cashless existence requires resourcefulness, adaptability, and a willingness to explore alternative solutions. It may take time to adjust, but with creativity and determination, it is possible to navigate a cashless world successfully. These are solutions, your choice, your timing, your decision. Do what you want. I know that my label is mediocre, my talks are boring, but if you are already here, you have a chance to be different and achieve your goals. I practice what I preach, and believe in results after work. I have eaten too much from the bread of this lie. Do nothing and embrace what you get for free. Work, and change if the result doesn't satisfy yourself. This talk is made through experience, trust, and with the help of artificial intelligence, the best results from searching millions of ideas. The change is in your hands. Do it. Make it. Be better and grow your self-esteem through the result of your perseverance and actions. Your life is already too short to wait, to expect things from thin air, and it is too short to waste your personal precious time with people who don't care. More examples in the description of this video. Answers like questions: why are you poor? How can you burn life stages and selling your problems? Thank you. Other motivational talks like, it doesn't hurt you enough, 25 types of motivation, invest in capital of image, or the underground economy solutions. Work ethic and the search for common sense or solutions to different life problems and future. Because future is that time that has remained since this moment ahead in life. It's that simple. Give, sell, change, and improve. Emil, the founder of Enrich Talks, salutes you.